Hi, I'm Ewan from the Edinburgh Bicycle Co-op. We've put together this video to help you assemble your bike. It's easy and quick and will get you riding in no time. The first thing you need to do is remove the packaging from the bike. Take off all the packaging from the bike, paying particular attention to removing any plastic protectors from the rear wheel. Next, you're going to want to fit the pedals. Each pedal is stamped either left or right. You'll need either a spanner or an Allen key, depending on the bike that you've bought, which you should find in the box containing your pedals. You'll notice that the left-hand pedal has a reverse thread and tightens anti-clockwise, whereas the right-hand pedal tightens clockwise. This is so that it doesn't loosen as you cycle. A helpful trick that we use is just to pedal the cranks backwards. This works on both sides. Be sure to tighten it firmly with your spanner or Allen key afterwards. Now your pedals are attached, we turn to the handlebars. Your bicycle will come with either a quill stem or an A-head stem. If you have an A-head stem, make sure that the bolts on the side are loose. Position the stem so that it's in line with the front wheel, pointing forwards. Once the stem is in the correct position, tighten the bolts on the side. You should not need to adjust the bolt on the top. If you have a quill stem, you won't have any bolts on the side. Loosen the single top bolt. Position the stem so that it's in line with the front wheel, pointing forwards. Once the stem is in the correct position, tighten the single top bolt. If your stem design is not covered in this video, please get in touch for assistance with setting your bars. Once you have set the position of the stem, you'll need to check that the rotation of your bars and levers is correct. They sometimes need to be rotated for packing. Next, check the position of your brake and gear levers and tighten the bolts on those. That's it, your bike is ready to go. If you've had any problems at all setting up your bike, get in touch and we'll help you out.